Hi, this is Dungeon Life, a procedurally generated dungeon game developed in Unity that uses OpenAI's large language model. As an assistive system for dungeon layout generation, the OpenAI model is prompted to generate structured dungeon data in JSON format, including room coordinates, room type such as spawn room, normal room, treasure room, and the boss room. Any distribution, power-ups, and room connectivity is also included. The model operates under predefined constraints specified in the system prompt, such as ensuring unique rooms, coordinate, mandatory room type, enemy count limit, and valid adjacent between rooms. The JSON file that has been created by OpenAI is being retrieved and deserialized within Unity using the Newton soft.json framework. This data is then validated and processed at runtime to instantiate rooms, doors, enemies, and interactive elements such as power ups and treasure within the game world. Right now, the game is sending 10 prompts to OpenAI and saving 10 JSON files that OpenAI has created for us. Once done, player can start the game. In the event player has finished half of the generated levels, or in this case 5 levels, the system will start to send a new batch of requests to OpenAI to generate new levels for the game. Using scriptable objects for the power-ups, upgrades, and units like player and enemies, player can upgrade their character by selecting an upgrade or picking up power-ups inside the dungeon that modify the values of the player's character. FSM is being implemented to the enemies. At the beginning, they are in an idle state. Once the player enters the room, the enemy inside the room will switch to chase state, and if the player are inside the enemy range, the attack state is triggered. Upon clearing the enemies inside the room, a reward system is being implemented. Player can choose 3 random upgrades that they can have to implement for their character. Now the boss room. This is the area where we spawn the boss. Upon defeating the boss, it spawns a new portal that allows the player to go to the next level, where the dungeon spawner will use the next data that has been deserialized by the dungeon loader to instantiate a new dungeon layout.